Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Yes, sir. All right.
Smoking in the open. Is everything right?
So guys, you guys always want us to show you the menu in my comments. So I think today we'll show you. That's why I was starting with order. We'll show.
You show? This is nice actually.
Oh,
This
then
is
the
actually
people.
nice.
This is fire, right?
This is actually nice.
It's
Can I
on
have
theme.
one?
The old one. The old
Can I
one,
have one of them?
The old one. This is the old one. This is the new one. What the new one looks. No, this is all new.
We're
'Cause
gonna
They never looked like.
we're gonna
this.
put you guys onto the digital one. I'll picture it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Not
Not
so good as I'm just funan.
Ah, they wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Even proper me picture on picture.
Yeah. Okay.
I menu lapha ingozi.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
It's a
Yes, sir.
dangerous
Nice.
menu.
Like-
Yes, sir.
So normally what I do, although he hates it, he orders something different. I order something different. Then we.
I think that I hate it. Vele that's the way to roll. But kwamamalanga nje.
Yabufuna ukwenza kwakho.
Yeah, I met izinto ezingahlangana.
Uma 40 sifuna uyikhothi isimenu yakho.
Amabothi vele
Order
befuna
masi.
sisitsha iconocopy asithi mgano yi-1.
Konabo.
Yeah.
But I've seen that works with Chinese food actually. If you order something different, our Chinese portions are
Mancane.
amaningi.
Yeah, but ilokhu
Then
zenini
you
plan.
just
Vele when you go
share.
for Chinese anyway, uyabuthola this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's-
for Chinese, let me remember with my Jesus, some other sport there's some posa advertise. Like we sa orders on kitu ezishini amaportions akhona amaningi ufika ugcwala itafula nokonga ni buffet
Avele kuyi-buffet lava.
Yeah. But Chinese are
Because
actually
we
for me.
literally just
But
Chai
I don't
tapu
like
chi.
seafood though. I don't like seafood.
in
Like I've tried it. It's not for me.
yeah wena uyakhotile okuze nini
Ngiyakhohlwa.
manje uzondelani seafood
I don't know. Seafood. It didn't go down well with me.
yeah
It
it,
doesn't-
Yeah, because you don't go down well.
Because you don't go-
It's an acquired taste.
It is.
just like going
It's an
down
acquired- No, that one works for me. That one works for me.
so
very
you
well.
acquire you partially acquired the taste
Yes. I acquired the important taste.
You are yet to move
I
into.
acquired the important
I was
taste.
having a similar conversation with someone about wine recently.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I was like, I've tried drinking wine for years. Wine, nah. But maybe I'm just too broken and I'm drinking the cheap shit. But
I've actually got to taste amanye like the finer shit. Wine is just wine, bro.
wine is just
I
wine.
know I'm gonna sound ignorant. Yeah. It's like saying a car is a car. Utshela umuntu
I
othanda
don't drink
iFerrari
alcohol,
like.
and- And most people say, I try out wine. So, ngale spano, ngale ewange, ngale, they have the wines, right?
They have a collection.
Born it difference for kunokana lokunye
I
mi.
mean, not only that, maybe it's how it affects me because I get dehydrated and because
And yet dehydrate.
ngani usudepapalazi ulokhu usanatha ndo
Ikhanda le wine
akhanda
liyabhowa.
le wine ndoda le so I maybe thina ukuthi satshayo for cousins bangani wami osincanywayo sengasithathe ke sifake
But
emalayithini
I think I
sififty.
like
Exactly, yeah.
one wine. I've tried to Google it. I haven't even seen it on Google.
Mm.
It's called The Boss.
Umfana wami nathi sikatsha so
And I've realized kulamama wines that are new, that are not public. But I at top, they're not public. I saw abantu bakhona who drink the wine.
So I'm bringing this up to say when I'm out Carlo City seafood, it's just not for you. Maybe you just didn't acquire the taste. I was saying the same thing about wine. And then this one person was like, check out peer pressure. I don't think this is
This
for
one
me.
is not for me. Yeah.
I think wine is just not for
Mina
me.
nomngani wami bajwayezenzani. We can go for any different sport Indian, what? Yeah, I'm black. I'll stick to my steak and I'll stick to my chicken.
Mm-hmm.
I am not moving. I'm not trying anything new.
I'm not moved.
Then I have a friend of mine who says, you won't have chicken, you won't have beef, you won't have pork.
That's all
Anyway,
the meats, man.
Anyway in the restaurant, he rather goes for fish because he really has fish in his house. So because he always has local kunye, there's no point. for me to
Okay, that kind of
pay
makes
for
sense.
something
Yeah, that kind of
that
makes
I'm,
sense.
already.
Ogala like Kista Handlin.
Sorry?
Kiloko Zenin also, man. Ngathi ngihlale eNamibia, I realized ukuthi living in a coastal country is different because ngali fish
Yeah.
is very common. Ngali fish lecha 3 times a week. Ngazi maybe mina sengikhulumela ngikhaya, but ngikhaya kuyahlala seli 3-4 months singadlanga
My,
inhlanzi.
my dad,
Ala mkhathi idala sagcina inhlanzi. Inhlanzi esidlayo kuphela.
my dad, get away. My dad used to work at CSC. So CSC had a deal with the guys in Namibia. CSC would send beef, guys would send fish, my hay, my red fish. At the time, that's the first time I saw an octopus. Kanya pay by mistake part of my fish.
Khona dula kuse-octopus yakhe lamxokozelela le.
But yeah, bro, like the red brim is imnandi, guys. And then obviously hake is hake. Even
I haven't
the
liked,
fish
yeah, I was about to say I had fish.
Kings,
I had fish here last
Nice.
week. Mwah.
nice. Actually,
And the
nice.
Mchinaldo burger. Mwah.
There's
And,
nothing I've tasted here that I haven't really liked. The only thing I ate Celion last time, but I just
Ini?
eat Celion steak.
Oh.
The only thing I didn't like,
Sakuhamba.
the only thing I didn't like about it was a small portion.
Until 3,400 grams with my food.
Just
Just take more grams, bro.
But anyway, guys, we coming from Independence and East. How was it? How was it for you?
Vele today we're even shooting in a different environment. I'm sure la wabona ukuthi
We still had
It's-
cotton, but
what's
Yeah,
still
we
different
shout
angle.
out Cotton anyway.
back.
This
that's
is
where we
our
used to
home,
do-
bro. Yeah,
Remember
that's
that's
where
what
we
we
used
used
to
to
do. Label City Sofa Liliana. Yeah.
We used to do it there, and now we've moved to that other sport today.
no,
We
yeah.
decided we're actually putting it at a different time.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
shooting during the day also
This is the effect of ZITF.
because it's ZITF right now.
Labo teach me ndebele laba the hey singarecord ebusuku.
I feeling traffic
So,
so.
Independence and Easter, guys, how was it? How did you spend your holidays?
Mina zi independence yangeqa because I think the main event was Easter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Independence ngani yangeqa. I wasn't
Let's say
aware.
Kasonga, because remember we were filming, we shot the day before.
Yes.
We didn't
And we
even
didn't
speak
even
about
speak
it.
about it. Yeah.
That's how bird.
Yeah.
That's how bird.
So tina focus on Easter. Then Saturday, what did I do?
When I went
was
Zarona
chilling.
njanga ngasanathi.
I was chilling. Then I went to Munch and Sip.
Oh,
Then I went to Munch and Sip.
munching and sipping. What was the venue this
Yeah.
time?
Harry Allen.
That's the second time they're having it. there.
Yeah. Harry Allen. I was chilling. I was with Virgie in the cart. She was hosting. I was there. You know when we pull up to these things, how we are. You know who we are.
But you were still not
So
drinking?
I don't even need to explain too much. Yeah, I wasn't drinking. But I had a chance to actually drink because there was like, hey, where we were, there was like nice alcohol there. But nah.
You still didn't drink.
Ralph is held out. I really held out. I was the preachy one.
And I was thinking ngilo fish, like veg goes crazy, bro.
I know.
Like we're supposed to have champagne there, but you know, dog. I don't even have time for alcohol. I don't even know what happened to me.
Then when I'm busy, what were you up to?
Debauchery. I had like a 4-day bender, which is fucking embarrassing, given how wild I was talking at the
But
start
you
of the
did say you're
year.
gonna, out of the show, after shooting last week, you did say you're gonna go on a phone.
Yeah, vele ngahle ngathi mina angazi ngoba ukukhuluma futhi la steps ngathi mina senginatha ngana ama block module. Abazi ama block module. Ngathi
I
ngiyanatha.
tell you, blog, singanizi
Ah,
Ah,
it's a-
remember they block
Singathi
2 weeks.
Yeah, I mean,
You know, look
parallel.
le so parallel. I say again. Le so parallel.
Angu block module. Anza ishaya block module yami before 5 months bese nsima futhi.
I got
And then uma 2 months is a lot. Must it evens it out. It's not like I stop for 2 weeks. Kana mathe ngitshela izolo sithi the most time maybe 5 days. Angazathi abafana. Bafana liyanatha abafana.
ezinye ndoda azimi vele.
Yazi ezinye zimi zithi angimelani.
Ezinye vele
Any
azimi.
comments on our independence celebrations?
Ngabona ivideo lana kathi ngabona ivideo yabantwana abeholiswa ngana ba ababeholiswa ngeroad.
Ababeholiswa ukudla ngeroad. Shame.
Okay.
I don't know kwawuthi kusegogwe
Yeah,
Oh,
they
that's where the main celebrations were.
the main
Is it?
celebrations with us.
thina lapha enga.
White City.
Vice City.
Oh, okay. Kwakulani kwakule menu.
I don't even like.
Kwangela ama-artist inceba
So
betshaya
what-
umzo 7 into
what I
zabo
was
umzo
told-
7 lezi.
So normally, I know ukuthi inyama zonke.
Umuku
inyama
doesn't
yona-
miss that kind of shit, right?
Ubani?
Umuku.
Every
So-
time nxa kule ma-functions anjani national functions like that asonyama yenkomo phela leyani abayidlayo eza elephants
Yeah.
Badla indlovu.
Yeah.
Anoke isikhothise lapho eyomboko la.
idla amakhudu or ama-buffaloes.
But
Is that-
khathesi phela bebajikela chicken in the chicken slice.
Is that factual, dog, or that's just like
That's what I used to do.
Back
remember,
then,
I
not
used to
now.
work, like, but it stopped in about 2018. If it
40
stopped,
mavanga zayisebenza khona.
clearly maybe stopped 2018, 2019. Because I used to work with people who were learning to be professional guides or hunters. So that's the time they get their quota to shoot for training. For shooting. Inyamazana. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that kind of makes
So
sense.
bathatha bahambe beshoot inyamazana.
I always used to hear that, but I used to wonder, is it factual or it's just
That's
like
factual.
it's common lore? His stories are Masendeke.
But bro, did you see how
Karoni story sakho
Reality,
sikamasendekela siyana isiphi kanje?
Alisazi?
Asisazi, close
Wana ngikama. Also,
in reality hit on that day?
independence.
Yeah, because they finally got to see what Zimbabwe is.
Obani.
Abaningi belizwe.
Oh.
Bro, did you see their cars Pajilema Tage
Oh, I didn't
on their way
see
to
it.
Goku?
Yeah,
Mama
yeah.
wonder fit local mama, even those big trucks of theirs.
Is it?
Wow, it was all mad, Brian Stadium. That football match lasted for 15 minutes.
What damn?
Like, that one manje was the wildest
Even
story.
getting
Wake weza ukuthi thoko lebhora lokuthi abantu bangena badlale 15 minutes ukuthi asukuthi bamnyama chana amaphena.
Eh.
Into ezibhanisa ngeFIFA ndoda zona
Do you
lezanda.
know why? You know why I said they started late?
Watsho mlaba
Because
ndoda.
it was hard for their buses to.
Awutsho
to
mlaba
go-
lama jokes
It
laba.
was hard for their buses to get to Gokwe.
Kuthiwa vele ama-organizer ayesethe abadlali imeshi lana egwero
Egwero.
imember ziyazayala zathi
Abaningi
akuna.
belizwe bathi no.
Kodwa la
It was
ngaselithini
happening
nechina
here.
imbeko lihambe.
Ndoda 12 minutes.
Bekule picture nje kugcwele amanzi ama-players ubona ama-players ama-t-shirts awabona ama-face kula manzi ubibhora lelingaphi khona phela
Kwi-water polo.
and
Yeah, ilizwe lethu liyayingisa
bazama
manje.
ufaka ama-seats lawanani ayisekhichiwe vele sebestepe phezu kwawo.
Oh, yes, I saw. Oh, I saw that
Lamasosha
picture.
ematsha emadayeni.
Damn.
Yeah, it's wild.
That's a bit crazy. Awusizwa ngistori sami ngamasendeke lesiyana. Esokuthi exe? Come on. Siphelele khona, siphelele khona. Vele asifuna ukuncedisa. Asizwa ngistori ngamasendeke sokuthiwa. Othi umasendeke losidumo uthi wabreaka into enye indawo. Umasendeke wabe sithi right, omama bonke phansi wonke umuntu sesimrepa la. And then uchidumo wayepho ngifuna omnye ugogo abe emzwela ugogo lwana besithi zwana gogo wena cha phansi la ngoba sokuzayilahla. Tha ugogo besithi hey umasendeke uthi wonke umuntu lingangixoshi la.
Istory lesi.
Sithani zivari.
Because ama-versions different versions of this story. Because different versions uthi umzulu ahamba nogogo wakani sirathi ngirepa lonke like ama-repa lonke la ugogo umzulu wathi hayi ngirepe mina ka-2 ngoba ugogo akusenze ngafa ugogo wathi naw uthandisi nami uyafuna.
Anona yikade ngubuza ukuthi into le endlovu le. Izitori zabo masendeke
Kumbe.
Because when I used to be there, that's what used to happen.
is it?
Yeah.
Uthi ama-Greaser waye down bad. Nawathi hayi.
Yeah.
But guys, if that's how, bro, 15 minutes soccer match, 15 minutes soccer match.
Zahle zavele zakhala.
Here's what I say. 15 minutes. That summarizes our 45 years of independence. We can't even have a football pitch, bro,
Yeah.
to celebrate our independence day.
Akungasenani
That's what I
madoda.
loved, bro.
Life yakhona. Let's of into ezinjalo. That's why maybe there wasn't a lot of pictures or
Can you didn't actually.
chama ama what.
What's not
Yeah.
there?
They're saying today everything is there.
Okay.
Namhla vele sifithu ziyakhala. Ama-ribs, pork ribs. I'm gonna have those ones, bro. With chips. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's rib it up.
Chan fast. U-edit uthi lenza into
Whatever,
ezi-awkward
bro, I
ngale
can't
order.
take
How many bebekwazi abantu ukuthi kule gourmet lapha?
after that 2-2.
Ah.
Uzutheni ke? Yeah.
So I'll have lamb ribs so we can share.
No, this fine.
Lamb ribs. What else? I think mesh for me.
And then for now, can we have?
Thank you, my bro.
All right, cool.
We should have having twice each one. I'm not just.
We're white people, though.
I'm
We're
not-
white people covered
not-
in black skin.
I'm not.
So you're saying, what were you saying? What were you
No,
talking about?
we're just finalizing on in the football pitch.
Oh yeah,
For
yeah.
5 years, we can't even have a football pitch. So they actually decided that Dynamos and Islanders this year were not going to play.
Yeah, I think
Which
you
was a good thing. We,
Yeah.
we
You'd say that
actually
was
spoke
It's a
about
good
it.
thing for them because
So who
want to
won?
go and play in the mud.
Who won the
I
penalties?
think platinum.
Platinum, yeah, we know Imatageni
Singapore,
FC.
I-
So mina in summary ngihamba ngakhomenta kwenye account company ama top officials. Kulabantu abamacheda ke ngathi this pretty much sums up what you guys are doing. Lisivocela udaka khona ngapha.
Send it true. Send it, that's true.
Oh my God.
But man, guess
Lisivocela
what? It's
udaka
right here
khona
right
ngale
now.
phezulu.
Ungambe.
No, let's not talk too much
No,
about
I'm
this
just saying,
guys.
Ungambe
Don't
is
think
right
we-
here at the Ministry of Sports. He stands up. Like Safara, like stadium of some sort, one of our bucket seats. We have first needed our bucket seats 45 minutes later.
Ah, man.
The Ministry of Sports and Arts, bruh. And as Bamba Bafawu, okay, hard to so. Bro,
Yeah, look at the yazi nxa ufuna ubona eZimbabwe uphinde uphekezela abanye okha noma 40 eZITF. Hayi member le yazi yonke into le. Imember le ngena kuma stand la nothi asiyo eSwalanda eZITF.
Iyabibazi khona.
Izolingenise kuthiwa kwenye indawo la
Praz.
ePraz. Yafika ya inquire ngayizwa beyiphendula ngayizibuza ngazwa beyiphendula. Oh also
Epras benza ngani? Tshela nabantu bakwazi.
you're also surprised is that for if you want to get government tenders, most of the time, you have to register under it's procurement, what Society of Zimbabwe. That's the government.
procurement regulatory authority. Exe.
That's where you do your
Hambani.
Go answer phone.
Buya lapha usitshele lapha ukuthi uhamba njani la. Usitshele 2
Yeah,
seconds.
2 seconds. Tell us what's happening.
I-traffic ithini la?
Hayi siyababona abantu be-trade fair khanya baningi
Baningi.
abeharare abonanga labo sisi bakabulawayo sebelama-weave amatsha ukuthi avele ngaphi bazasitshela kuhle
Elilana njengalapha liyabazi level babone last week
Lelo
bengekho
babone
nje.
last week bengekho nje.
Simele li-Saturday manje
So Praz is where you register. Every company needs to register for you to get tenders. Yeah.
Uyazela ngaphi iPraz wona ungu-K Breeze we podcast.
So level isithi abantu labana yikho belibophisa level isithi hey bale corruption bayasuwa. Lizathothi maybe member lwana or plus size maybe registered like
He just
that.
registered, he just
Yes, yes, the tender.
For even sometimes for you to actually for you to do anything to do with local government or any state enterprises, you have to be registered under Praz.
So you see, now we'll be thinking people are corrupt, you know, we have no information.
Sometimes, do you know why? Do you know my service providers is right here? People go on the Praz database.
and
They
then
look for
when they
people
have
who can
something
provide-
yeah.
who does photograph, who does this, they'll go. So then I said, hey, where my service providers are because you are going to Praz for that.
When I have trade fair,
When
you
you
find
have
out.
Praz, yeah. It costs like about $120 a year.
Yeah.
Imagine you pay
Which is-
$120
which
to
is-
get a tender of 2 million.
Which is actually
But yako guaranteed
cheaper than being a
fela,
band
kuthi
these
uzaliswa.
days.
Yeah.
Which is cheaper than being a cover band.
Amapenda akholisa kube ZITF mfana atshaya. Yayala
But
bazi.
I'm against ukuyivala kwabo because
What against
now the owner-
Mafoti?
ngokwakho lokho ayenza
What
isona.
against?
Ngafunda
Emalokhuzenini bakuthwalisa inzima
problem
kuma comments ngezo besithi
Ngokwabo
against.
Against.
Wahamba ukhuluma ngendaba.
Ngoba kuyini konke?
So
Kuyini
the thing
against
is-
wena?
the thing is, now the real owners of the corporate owners are not getting anything at the end of the day.
Yeah.
They still not get money.
I don't
We might
just
not want them.
understand.
We might have an argument about the amount of money that was being charged, but pay abanikazi. Yeah.
I also went to yesterday.
And the problem in Zimbabwe, sorry to cut you. The problem in Zimbabwe, we have a wild dynamic. Abo streaming land, especially ama classics on la. If maybe sikwelinye ilizwe njenge-Jozi, you'd say actually promoting your music for you ngahamba ngiyenza amacover ngale because people are probably going to look for the original song bakhweza ama-streams akho then uthole imali but lapha
It's a different
you can't
story.
really say that
Remember,
when
there's
you're using
only
people's music.
Two things online. You go on Facebook, majority Facebook and WhatsApp. Very few are on X. Then 2Ks are on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah.
Ama-2K kodwa agcwele ku-TikTok.
YouTube, we all know how those guys got those views anyway. So
Yeah, I went izolo eZinara. I wanted to go exempt imoto efileyo, and I found out they also have new regulations now. So abantu igenge eningi elise-UK nyakazi lezikorokoro ezipakile endlini elingafuna ukuzibhatalela umthelo. So ngasufuna uku-exemptisa imoto yakho sokuthiwa khathesi you need a garage report from a registered garage ele-tax clearance. Ubusubasendela i-picture ukuthi imoto yakho ifile. And then that's how you can exempt your car from paying
reported garage yafunakala
plus pictures.
Ukabelo couldn't believe it, bro. Like
Ndoda.
What's that, so?
What is my paper? Because you tell this is bro. What about trailer? What about my trailer? Was it I trailer
Uzayifaka andilo kuzeni. Because ngithe alright, so what other reasons are there for you to allow me to exempt a car outside of the fact ukuthi ifile? Can I just exempt it ngoba ngithi angila mali, alright? Wabe sithi ngaze ngathi for example mina imoto efile mfu exempta ngidonsi trailer, so semfu exempta le trailer automatically because level hlezi lingahambi lokuzeni i-trailer ke uli exempta njani. Umdala wabe nganothi hayi trailer uthi uzalifaka ndi imoto uza explain this since imoto ifile, but khanya amajite be exempt izimoto eqeda bezidrive zinjalo. What kind of
corruption lani? You can really fuck up a good thing.
Dog, they really fucked up a good thing.
But enye into futhi engayikhulumayo ukuthi ilizwe lethu lama authorities ethu, if there's one thing that they are closely watching is how people always try to cheat this already tough system. Because umthelo wakho uyadula, guys. It's not like those people were crazy. Now umthelo lo affordable, they're not going to do that.
Yeah, it's true.
The fact ukuthi umthelo uyadula, basebebona iloophole ukuthi since vele besemakhaya lemgwaqo ifile futhi. Mana exempt. Sebebananzi sebe exempta, sebe tighten the screws and that's how they do it.
Ngitshela umdala ngathi manje uvule enye loophole because ngathi omakanika asebeza sithengisela ama-garage report. So ifanele omakanika you just keep opening new loopholes.
Then bese besithi hayi omakanika labo sokuzamile babe
Here's the next one that's actually going to happen. Omakanika abacela nabo sokumele be-register bebhadala i-100 US a year.
Ukuthi labo ngoba sebethola imali. It's so funny. This country is so funny, bro.
Association of Zimbabwe. Bethi makanika bevule association abo
ngoba khathesi umakanika usungaba ngumakanika okanika apha ungabe ngumakanika le-license yokunika i-garage report exemption. So to get that other license, also be extra fee. My God!
Yeah, this country is tricky, though.
No, but
like
it's not even it's fucking capitalism,
Welcome to Zimbabwe, bro. Welcome to Zimbabwe.
Capitalism is killing us.
Welcome to Zimbabwe. Bafuna ukuthi ndo kan.
Easter la hambe church machins. Bafana be ngiqamba ibranch elingena kiyo.
Khathi ngisare dingambe church man.
Lina lama mdala Duma.
I was alone. Niggas were drinking there. I was alone in church.
I haven't gone to church.
Did I go to church? I'm capping. I think I didn't go to church.
I haven't gone to church in years.
Why ungambe church my fault?
During my funerals and my weddings.
That doesn't even count, nigga.
Bro, a lot happened for me not to go to church. It's not like I don't believe in God. I've just having problem with the institution called the church.
Ngicela ukusendela enye imimi nguricall akuthiwa abantu abakholisa ama-jokes anja ngiba-trust. I-joke yakho nithi this generation is messed up. In church I saw a youth lighting a cigarette with church candles. I was so shocked I almost dropped my beer.
Yeah, I want to turn the jokes anje just to find it disclaim.
One is dinner per day.
Yeah,
one is dinner per day.
Keeps the doctor.
I haven't gone to church in the New Year's, guys. Yo. And I think I used to be like that guy who was church every Sunday, bro. Yeah.
Kari talk. Olokuzenini ngani sebe organize lokuzenini. So uzadabula lapha nangazi umza uzaba nika chance yokuthi ibe check menu or.
No, it's cool. It's cool. We can just sort that one off system.
All right.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
No, but for us, like for me, church, I used to be a youth leader, bro.
Yeah, mafuatili nathi lingena ngeyathi. Ezinye izinto azifuna ungene ngeyathi. Ndiyabona ukuthi wona wangena ngeyathi kakhulu.
Amathela lingathi njalo nge-religion, alingathi njalo nge-religion.
Someone said something. You know what I was wasting was there are people who went to my grandparents because we are disagreeing when into the elections or whatever. Someone went to my grandparents. If you're a priest, a whole priest and the whole elders in the church, go to my grandparents' house and lie to my grandparents about me. That church doesn't deserve my presence.
Yeah, but that sounds like a personal thing, but I hear you.
Exactly, that's just one church. But babela my branch 1 and 2 kula my inhlobo yama church nama denomination amanye.
Maybe twice. I can do whatever I want.
Okay.
I didn't leave the church. That's what
Yeah,
the bishop
ne?
said. Church dengeyami.
hayi umuntu onjalo
Suspend umna abana bami labangani bami
Mm.
from the youth.
babenzeni
Because they were not agreeing with what he wanted to do. You can see the democracy is saying into ifunayo bengakhuluma into abayifunayo against into ayifunayo wena. Siba suspend.
Speaking of fucked up things, here's a tweet from the artist formerly known as Kanye West that was doing the rounds this week. This song is called Cousins, about my cousin that's locked in jail for life for killing a pregnant lady. A few years after I told him we wouldn't look at dirty magazines together anymore. Perhaps in my self-centered mess, I felt it was my fault that I showed him those dirty magazines when he was 6 and we acted out what we saw. My dad had Playboy magazines, but the magazines I found in the top of my mom's closet were different. My name is Ye, and I sucked my cousin's dick till I was 14. Let that one simmer.
Yeah, ne?
Let that one simmer for
You
the
listen and you don't try.
Oh, Kanye West. This recently came out.
Not even CIA can make someone.
Yeah, get that information out of me.
Yeah.
He came out on a public platform
Mm-hmm.
and said him and his cousin used to act out the things that they saw in porn magazines. So molestation, incest, you know. Into le ngayibuza a few episodes ago. Ngato into leziyana zokukhula lidlala amatopi lani labo cousin wena. Abantwana ngabekanga.
Zaphikisa imember lapho.
Ngaphikiswa
I
mina.
never played with my cousins. Because I lived in a total different town from all my relatives.
Yabona into nale okay uthudo nokuganga labantu abelayini.
No, I never gang. I can't do my
Anyway, asikhulumi ngawe lapha ma40. Ngawe personally. Sikhuluma in general public. A lot of people also came out and said, you know, I hear people are you know, he's saying something that happens to way more people than you might be aware of.
Okay. He's just bold enough to say.
Not bold, crazy.
Okay.
He's just unhinged. But this is not that crazy of a thing to hear. It's crazy to hear someone say it out loud. Definitely. But if inxesa lithi sifike ezulwini lapha nasebetshengisa ama video tapes empilo
We see a lot
zomuntu.
of you guys doing it.
Ungathi you guys.
You guys.
Why khombela mina?
Kumele camera, what's wrong with you? I know phambili kwanapha.
Ewen.
And I'm really loving the setup today. I don't need to wear my glasses because my lights are got that bright and far.
Yeah.
Wafonelwa ngilokhu zenini ngo-White Rain wase-America. Kuthiwa hey selafaka uma-40 emanglazini. Ama-40 thaya ngagqoka amanglazi, egqoka amanglazi kathesi.
Yeah, but I'm liking this setup. We should do this more often.
I think so.
Ngiyaphuza ngalitshela iphangisana ukuya ku-podcast yini.
Sorry, Buddhas.
Lesikhathi esibuye ngaso namhla kule lamb la.
Hey.
Motherfuckers.
Nami ngiphangisile ukubuya nami. Ngiphangisile ukufika.
Yebo.
Namhla siqalelwe ngo-40.
Ngiphe mina ngiqasa ukufika ngicanda ngichaya around. Yeah. But anyway, you know, it's just that also in I don't know in the black community, this is a bit of a more prevalent thing that people might be outside, you know, willing to admit.
Yes, that's the problem. You know those things that happen, that we know they happen as a society, but you don't want
Really,
to
we
like
don't speak about them out
speak
loud.
them head on. Yeah.
Laughing is I'm not bringing this up to sound like I'm someone who has advice or who has as a community you must do this.
Do you?
Me also I don't know.
Yeah.
Do you?
You know, people grow up how you just hope for the best, dog.
There was a thread on Twitter. You have the copies?
Did you say it to me, dog?
There was a thread on Twitter.
Mhm.
On X, sorry.
Yeah, on Twitter ngokwabo.
On X about convicts.
Kenyan authorities arrest 4.
No. That's
the
not
other one,
one.
Leana.
Also, le khona sakiyo le.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ex-prisoners were asked, what was the worst thing you saw inside the prison walls? These replies will shock you. So I'm going to move into... Mina sengakalokhu zikulaleya iclip enye esengayiposta. Lena ngaze ngiyiposta. Ngiyayisendela amajita. Ichomi ekhulume ngani ese-America society. There was this one kid, he was in there shitting, right? He was taking a shit, and then this big dude comes in with a knife and says, turn around, don't even wipe. So edita ngo Dr. Umar said, I beg your pardon. Said, turn around, don't even wipe.
What? You need God. Come to God.
Don't even.
Kungoma ke-Fred Collett. Ejele bakwenzu sisiro.
Zumba, zumba, asumbaba, basumbaba, azumba, zumba. Funny enough, namhla ngivuke ngihlabela mina le ndomfaya emoda B. Namhla sebebuka uhlabela undomfaya ndo.
So,
Right. Nanga mangwazi ethi la. This one guy says, we had an offender with a colostomy bag. Every time he would shower, the most terrible smell would fill the unit. We asked him multiple times to not burp his colostomy bag in the shower, but he swore he wasn't. Eventually, after developing an infection, his doctor found out he was charging other inmates to have sex with his colostomy hole.
What? What the fuck, guys? What's that? Hi. You?
Wait, let me Google a colostomy hole quickly, man.
What's a colostomy hole, bro?
Holy shit.
a bag. He's a bag.
Yes, but the hole. I want to see the hole.
Where he shits from, Pena. That hole.
Charging niggas. Oh no.
That hole.
It's a sisu inevila SID.
You go for chupu leana pela.
Hey, what?
So people were actually, he was paying niggas to.
Yeah.
So you try no gagobi.
But the reason I knew Agubi wasn't here because he now the reason why is because how much it with nothing in there.
Hey,
Shit. So they fucked up his pH balance.
Because they fucked up his pH balance.
They fucked up his pH, bro.
Another one.
Because what's crazy is it's here. So I was saying,
Yeah.
ulethe vele kuyo ngama-cigarettes lapho 40 anongenisa inyovisa umkhaba la anongenisa inyovisa umkhaba la. I spent 6 years in prison. 1 month in, I watched a Crip on Crip gang stabbing. They stabbed this guy 60 plus times while he was curled up in a bowl screaming help, but nobody could because you'd be a target next. He somehow survived, but I couldn't tell you how. I think about it every day.
What? Yeah, my dude.
That's just sad, boy.
Stepping may not actually kill you.
Yeah, I mean,
Random stepping,
Mm-hmm.
because sometimes it may not actually hit the.
but 60, man, the stats gotta pull up at some point.
How many times?
Yeah,
shot how
but
many
60
times?
stabbings.
Unless nabo nababekwazi ukuthi vele bayenzela ukumgwajisa, maybe vele babengayitshonisi le ngame yakhona.
There
But
was
what?
talk about a guy assaulting his own daughter. Some guys made him a cup of morning coffee. A morning coffee is basically taking a kettle, pour cooking oil in it, heat it up, and add a lot of sugar, and then throw it in someone's face. Holy shit!
Kharizphila njani his boy?
Wait, check the sugar like one. How sticky that's gonna be?
Holy shit!
Fuck. Because
You?
the coconut is gonna hit you and burn you. The sugar like figure it stick.
You?
Ma'am, nakuleni chome yami eyintshela. This one was in Namibia. This story I heard in Namibia. This guy was talking about. Yeah, now when he wasn't in prison, he was in the holding cells. So go gezwa at different times. So isel yabo sisi yayingadli. So sisi ngabe dlula lapha amajita abemile lapha ni naraming
Yeah.
little cell service. Amajita abemile sibile line. A time no sisi sebedlula bese yakiyeza. Just
Ebe
you know.
tuna vele.
Guys, I have a story. I want to talk seniors. I want to pay police station.
Uh-huh.
And I want to talk is I fence and I want to talk so I want me for a night. That other time I remember I told you a story says I was on New Year's Eve, so was the party. I'm going to play for some minutes and I was in the problem. Now I was trying to do me. Nope. I want you for his name.
ready to me now la.
Do me now.
So lalela ichome yami lethi babe time era lapha no sisi ngo maye kwakulesinye esasile mouthi esithanda ukuthi masidlula vele sikhuluma irapha ndoda sithi jo mase upusa uchirana babe mzonda ndoda amajida abe budgetele uchirana abe thatha isigubhu se 2 liters like eFanta onye futhi basika nje phezulu zachemela phakathi esinye zabhotshela phakathi izenzani zakwenza ukuyiconcoction kwabe zabe zinike inye uthiwa bathi bedlula ama-3 siyageza unkazana sithi kuthiwa mntwana wabe siyibambe isigubhu so wabe sithi sibhakela uthi umember wa mandoda. That's how crazy that shit is.
Yeah.
Not prison, but jail. 6 months pregnant and her water broke. Correctional officers didn't believe and waited to take her to the hospital until she was hemorrhaging. The baby died and the woman was released because they didn't want to pay medical costs.
What?
This was 2004. That's crazy.
Fuck.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
I worked in the medical department of a large prison in Florida. We had an inmate bite a bigger inmate's nose off. The bigger guy kept asking the kid for sex and the kid had enough. We saw several stabbings. Several were life flighted out, but those weren't the most interesting. We had an inmate smoke some bad spice made out of God knows what. He came to medical out of his mind and later died because it caused brain hemorrhaging. One guy got a dislocated patella, I don't know what that is, and was just sitting patiently as I got his info. I asked if it hurt and he said, yeah. I asked how he was so chill and he replies, because I'm not a bitch.
Yeah, definitely.
Hit us with a little something.
Yeah, just give me a
I
moment.
done 11 years myself. One of the worst things I've seen is two members of a gang called Goodfellas, aka 40 Deep, jumped on a blood on the way back from Pill Call. One used a large knife, the other had a fan motor in a net bag and used that as a flail. I also heard multiple people being raped. A friend of mine admitted to me after a year or so that he had been actively raped every night by his roommate, an OG from the Bloods, for about a 5-month period. Every day for 5 months.
For 5 months, my dude. Akusala ireza le.
What's happening? What do you think is happening?
I think the same thing happens. Oh, but with just less medical attention or that. I can't believe movie like Get Hard. They prepare get jail. I'm jail.
Hayi ejele lingahambe ejele majenzo.
But Ibrahim, what do I feel? That's what they want. Because, consent is.
Ngapha sizala likhuluma ngabantu ngama powers that be. Asazi.
All right, let me read another one. I spent 8 years in prison in the state of Georgia. There was a guy who made a hustle of hiding illegal cell phones from the Mexican gangs. When a shakedown search occurred, this man was responsible for the loss of many of those cell phones. He was confronted on the yard and tried to escape by climbing the fence. He got stuck in the razor wire, shredding his forearms, while 7 or 8 Mexican gang members were stabbing him, all in the back of his legs and his ass. Jesus.
Guys, but this is the thing. What was he supposed to do?
Yeah. That's crazy. Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much. Aspete grand.
Wena ngapi fruit juice wena uvakatshela abantu.
Basnate grand. Baspete. And I too phela.
You guys must come to Cotton Lounge.
Yeah, and enjoy being at Cotton.
And you must give them a shout out. Say, you owns. You treat the boys nicely.
Enough about this. Let's go to the other one, the Kenyan one. These stories are something. Let's go to the Kenyan.
Yeah, this story is actually really sad.
Let's go to the Kenyan one. So on your WhatsApp.
Man. Oh, been sitting in Zatoli. All right, last one. Let's see. I saw sick inmates die of cancer because COs thought they were faking. I saw officers laugh at a sick inmate who said she felt like she was dying and an hour later was dead on a bunk. I saw officers use gifts like food or gum or perfume to get sexual favors.
My dude. This is traumatic.
Right.
Yes.
Kenyan authorities arrested 4 in attempted smuggling of rare ants. So we shonala. Mzazamusubala the best I can. Vangava chida kunotengesa masoswe. Aya. Tama soswe. 7,700 USD kunze kwenyika.
Black ants.
Impolo dude.
Black ants.
Impolo.
There must be a market for everything, dog.
And look how big they are.
And look at how they're packaged.
Zebe health mfana lezi impolo lezi. And twabe bezivalele laphana bezinikile Viagra lokho ezibhebhana ukuthi zibe ziningi. Ngiyazidlalela.
Kuthiwa in a groundbreaking wildlife crimes case. What?
Is this even
12,000 grey
groundbreaking?
ants valued at over 7,000 United States dollars.
mna nami ngathi idula kusele mpolo asiyadimove ama-gents asiyadimashisa
So each
Azwaye
ant,
bekubona ukutshona ubhoda lemlindo besithi uCape Breeze sehlanye. Salijethi sehlanye bengakwazi.
so the ant is identified as the giant African harvester. Each ant carries a market value of approximately 220 US dollars.
yebo
Ngithatha ukuzimpolo kuyi2
for
ngihamba.
esikhwameni
For esikhwameni.
making them a lucrative target for illegal trafficking. I mean, I understand ukuthi it is illegal trafficking, I guess.
Do you know what you can't go in a national park and just start killing ants. Because
Yeah, but
I
that's a
didn't know that.
given. That's actually a given though.
street and drive motor. You can't run over one.
I mean, I guess it's a given. Okay, well, they have to protect all life, all wildlife. But I really was convinced, it was all the ones that matter. the big ones. I mosquito ke, ngingathi
Mosquito and malaria. So they make sure they
impolo lazo ziyaluma.
elephant ingafa. Bizwa national park. Baquma tasks. They take blood samples and what that they have to test if a poison or it's natural death. Then what they do is if it's poison, they hack it off. If it's not, let nature take its course.
Sounded like a natural meal to me.
Yeah, ulambile afike sidle.
So bafika be
Achiya so.
abantu bebesika.
After testing and confirming that all poison in the blood and what, because what they don't want is other animals to come in and take a bite and then die.
Indlovu zi-endangered with this.
No, is the but the tasks issue in the tasks there. Put under a poacher and put there.
Yenza kube tricky. Kudla sokubili.
Instead of lay one, you bring one plate. So guys,
Oh yeah, so they see.
so this is one of.
We're probably gonna B-roll this shit as well.
Yeah, I'll be rolling.
Ooh.
This is my order.
Oh, gourmet,
These are
baby.
These are lamb ribs.
Welcome to the food show.
This is
Don't
my
you
order.
open up the window?
They know praise ulama pork ribs. But yeah, this is how it is.
This is
Pork
how we're
ribs with the
quelling
rice,
here.
I've got mesh. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, they rice me off. Oh, this shit
What did
is
you get? Pork
delicious.
ribs also?
No, that's mine, dog.
What did you
No,
get?
really rice. I got
Yeah,
my shit with
please.
chips, nigga. I'm a potatoes man.
But anyway, we've talked about food too much, guys.
No,
We've talked about food too much. Get the fuck out of here.
Mouth
boys.
watering.
So this is what we have at Cotton Lounge.
Mhm.
Every time we come in, we make our orders, we eat. We eat well here. I don't know why
Mina sibekwazi ngoba namakanga fry lapho sibachaya ama shout out futhi la.
Yeah, yeah.
Ngoba
Sadinga ibizo lika
Maybe we might
chef.
do a
Yeah.
B-roll at the back.
Kudala besibulala lapha ngegome.
But what were we talking
Uthi
about?
Ndlovu zi-endangered these days or are just maybe
Poaching,
on a watch
poaching.
list.
Yeah. Right now, what's becoming in danger? Our lion population is dwindling.
Really?
Our lion population is dwindling.
Yeah, vele thina izilwane siyashota sokugcwele impisi man.
Hey, akusimpisi la. Lamakanga.
Lezinja.
It's our lion population is dwindling. Our leopard population is dwindling. Our cheetah population also is a bit tricky. Because of
Cheetah like
migration.
is such a fragile ass cat,
Because of-
dog.
It's true, ne?
Migration.
Yeah.
Because of
So
migration. They keep
Oh, zizulu
moving.
butheni ka?
That's it.
Vibration.
Migration. And then
Khulumelani
but
fast.
elephant
It's like
population,
it's
our elephant
bad.
population is very big.
Yeah.
Our carrying capacity and what we have as a country is too much.
Yeah, Jack.
Them are elephants.
Vele bese ngizibuza ukuthi vibration uthi amachita mayigijima vibrate kakhulu ezefe. I was trying to.
No, ichita i-fragile, dog.
Which
Plus
one-
loko hunter wayo ithemba isiqubu
Which ones
kakhulu.
are which ones like is it the white rhino that's now almost extinct?
Kanti vele white rhino injani guys le flake.
Because
Mina
of
njengoba
the
wonke abe pombe manje.
One is a browser, one is a grazer. One is a squared lip, one is a tipped lip. Even our ones are different. Even how they walk is different. The other one walk with the young ones in front, the other walk with the young ones at the back.
Mm.
Yeah.
So
Info-
nxa kungabantu singathi i-white queen i-white singathi ngabantu abamnyama
NgamaKharadi.
black ngamakharadi kumbe it's like different shit umuntu omnyama le China.
City a vegetarian and because what's different? No, it's not a vegetarian there before. It's a white person and a black person. We're all human beings,
Okay.
but our characteristics are different. How we behave and everything.
Ama-states la akhulunywa ngama-40 la afani kufana leyani. Have you seen that information on how to identify poisonous and non-poisonous snakes? It's because of the scaling from the butt.
Exactly.
And then there was a meme about it. Someone was saying, me when a snake is about to attack me, show us your butthole. Whether are you poisonous or not, dog?
Yeah, but yeah, I was part of the conservation club. I also worked in the safaris. So
I'm happy
that's how I know these
I'm
things.
happy you landed that one well.
Yeah.
Conservation anobefitsa kulahlisa.
Yeah, but
Kuthiwa kati amakhanke emakhaya akwazi njani ukuthi imbuzi le umnikazi usegoli. How?
Afundile dude.
Ahle bona ukuthi le
Imbuzi leyo mnikazi
no.
kakho.
Amakangalanga abantu. Abantu abasithi sithi unekhanga erithethe.
Ngamakhankalanga abantu laba.
Oh, ndoda. Ngilitshele true story manje. True story. Mina kule bengeka ngizazi enyama endlovu ezazibamba inkukhu ngenyawo so zithi. Zibhodi zingayifaka phansi. Vele yabisifo nguwela phansi bese beyirecord and then bese bethumezela umjideli che inkukhu ziyaguda la. Bese beyidle. This is not a made up story. This is some shit I saw myself. Zivuke zine babingo. Hayi kude zeliba.
Asila sichiye bona.
Kwaba wena ebusesithila jekisa ugijima usiyathenga ithiwa kwini into liyana. Usiyathenga stress pack usiyenzani usiyaphathisa ekhaya. Uthi amajide bami inkukhu ayithi kuphela. Ayirock ayithi. Ayihlalisa phansi.
Yeah, ngama legend.
Sake saba lenye inkomo eke sigulela. Inkomo liyana yathi sala latshela umfanele ukuze ndatshe kohliwise kawan because nje anyway problem ukuthi ingasifela it doesn't bleed out and then inyama yakho it becomes fucked up.
All right.
So inyama ezifele ihlupha it's because the blood just didn't bleed out. So wahlo iquma wayithi zathi la uhluza ubonela iplan ngomlenze wakulemfa lemfa esigabeni umfana wahlo wathi thele ebhodweni so inyama babeqeda abesiye emfeni watshela amajida akikhabhali thi che wena bamba amasese wena bamba inkawu wena bamba singadli vele emfeni la buffet esimelele endlini
deep
buyela laphana waphonga utshayisa lo nyoka uyinja wathi fuseko nasuke endleleni kuyinja waphonga ukuthi athi kade kuyinjalo kunjani lokho wawukutshayisa le nja S2 fuseko nasuke endleleni kuyinja ubona kade kuyinjalo kunjani wathethu uyangena egumeni ndodo libhodo lilele ngeside ingceki kulezi nje ezingu6 ndodo
fuck yeah
so how I found out about the story was ngangihambile efarm ngathola inja zicake sengimbuza kade
cheki base bezilambisa
sengimbuza kade cheki usafiti izinja wafa wathi izinja lezi mdidwazo lezinye zizondalisa uthi indoda zaze zawisa ibhodo ngesayidi ndoda
ngicele dog
leziyana izinja zazingenza bomakheso zasezidlile zachaza ivala inyama
shit
and into efani vele inja yanona in 2 days yakwazi I'm sure zagainer for that but 2 weeks later vele uyangasazifiti sezicake sezihawulisa
sezisotha man
azangathi 100 azivele inja.
I don't
How
mean
angry are you? How angry?
But izinja nje ukuthi ngizokufakula kamna last week ngathi ngavala ngiyinclosure yamadada ndoda
yeah
10 ducks gone
fuck
Ngezinja
wesa zakhe
zami.
izinja zakho zifundile zizayenza into zeghetto so
Jake, fucking but here's the thing. I left during the day. So usually during the day, ngazi roam around, azingeni kuma enclosure yakho ziyakwazi party. Ama enclosure khona singawavala. At night ke zikwazi khona la siyazivulela ukuthi patrol. So zabona ilanga litshona. Zona zathi, well, it's time to patrol. Ngoba azange ziwadle lokwathi azowabamba uphethe ngizazidlala lawo. Yabona la okuyisikalo khona nakho. Ngenye khona yacisha yaniluma. Sengizenzani?
Usuzidabula.
I was mad dog.
Ekhumula nisithi ngicela idada wabu ngiyenzela into zakho zesidada.
Kube sadla.
Kube
sadla. Kube sazibhoxela amadada kudala manje.
I don't know what happened. I'm yet to find out because I'm going there tomorrow. I don't want to know what happened to these 2 dogs, these 2 puppies of mine. Ukuthi zalunywa inyoka o zaluma
Tune mic.
Ukuthi zalunywa inyoka o zaluma inyoka zadikana. Because the snake was dead there. And then they were now all swelling. Pinjweni la.
hayi nxa ezabe zilumile phela inyoka even suyiluma ya
So what then happened was, so ngithengele imithi izolo, kuveta iphendula futhi kusasa, so I need to go see. Kuza ngihamba
ngizadinga ipicture yakho ne ukuthi nje zikama-40 sezinjani ukubona imimi lane enjalo
leli
enengelinyosi
Get away. So I'm gonna see the dogs tomorrow.
phela mna lapha nefama ngawutshela kule nyoka lapha nesiphila la
yonjila to
Kala kade
You
nyoka.
said that about the snake.
yeah asake siyikhande but ijala ukuchiyela isikhumba esingaka
you're just
But-
coexisting la
but we know where it chills hlala siyithayimile last week silaphana nje onyoka kumzukulu kwami kuyabhodabhoda ngubone kumile ukuthi inyoka engakanani
okungenani nje
umfana ku form 2
hayibo
wayibukela ihambe eziyangena emadwaleni so sensini wena mfana wena sithutha somuntu ukuthi wayungamemezanga uyibona ukuthi abe sengethukile ngoba ngambone lokho emile ngambone lokho emile ngambo umkhanyela engaqhubeka ngoze ngambone lokho emile ngamzimemezile inyoka engakanani mina lo Rico sesitatazela cause sesitshelile lapha engine khona sabe sahle sathatha ipetrol sathela sekhoza kodotshani so thela ipetrol sathela light umlilo
But that's a chair pants.
saqeda 30 minutes sicicha umlilo manje
ayizange yaphuma
inyoka sayibonanga umlilo khona out of control mdala isho kwasongumlilo isho kwasongumlilo khona amanzi
mina kwamele
ayakhathana
uthela ifuyele emlindini kuphela
ndoda kwakungamadwala so
yaphuma izondile
you couldn't tell ukuthi ingene ngaphi exactly but sesithwele even amase sithimini yabona ukuthi iyaphuma laphana wena umlilo wabuthi uqonde foul run le asugijimisa umlilo lo dude
Anyway, guys, there's this thing. It's been going on for quite some time. We've discussed it here. The anti-indigenous emergency. So the event was actually prematurely shut down before the main act could perform. We
Who was the main
act? Mukumba. Abangani bakamafoti. I want to quite kanjani ngasikhuluma Mukumba.
Because I don't know.
I thought that was a type. I thought that was supposed to be Murumba.
Why do people think Mkumba? Continue.
Anyway, so the show was prematurely shut down. ZIT, not ZIT, Queens was supposed to host Uncle Waffles, I think this coming weekend. That was also cancelled. ZITF. So there's a tweet about co-host where he was saying we currently have Gobulawa local authorities that are anti-youth or anti-entertainment because their stance when it comes to those things is always distraction. There's no room for even stakeholder engagement, dialogue. Like,
Who tweeted?
Yeah,
Right.
Muvui. So, like example, I although it wasn't on the tweet, but it's Kurma on the side, dude. There's a lot of things. I'm a bylaws that town as familiar, bro. But they get nuanced, you know, because we know. Mama labana emakhet labana they're trying to leave. We can't just because of my bylaws that bekwamba asoke sivuke kusasa siba wipe bonke out. Like we're trying to gradually start hambane kodini, right hands and so like,
zones.
exactly, you know. But ngamasho uhle disconnect adapter mazibuko. Disconnect adapter.
Kuchima.
Cause ndota remember labana babe set up ama drums, bro. But yes, not even to play one song.
Damn.
And that was like 7, bro. It wasn't even late. So what's up?
The host of Manchester yesterday at the forum, she said something different.
What did she say?
She didn't even want to blame anyone. She wanted to come out as a mature, as not angry, as not what. But we know she lost 15,000. Great.
Mafoti ungabi too
Akuyipresi mafoti.
Ungabi too factual.
Now she wants to come out as if angry about it. Let's have dialogue. Let's talk. No. What was done to you was shitty.
Fuck your mic.
What was done to you was
Fuck
shitty.
the mic, boy.
Fuck the mic.
You see, the problem is abandoned. When things like these are happening, and you are trying to deal with it in what you probably call mature and professional, you will not be heard. Manchester is happening at Harry Allen. Harry Allen is next door to Kumalo. Kumalo is a resident to Judge Cheddar. Kumalo is a resident to our own mayor. So what did she expect was going to happen? Remember, it is the same mayor when he was a senator who called on police to shut down Casper West at Hockey Stadium. They were not even performing in the Hockey Stadium. That thing was set up by the Kappa Stadium. You called it off. It is the same mayor who has called off shutdown at Queens. He's going after, if this was white people. I'm going to go there. Let me tell you. You remember when I'm a fire
take
exercise
it
in
there,
Zagara?
bro.
I'm a fire exercise in Zagara ZRTF.
Mhm.
Because they were done by white people. That never happened. Because they were organized by white people. Now that black people are doing those things.
You know what you're doing right now is
Yes.
very fucked up because I met the mayor at a diplomatic event there and he agreed to come to the show. But if you're saying things like this,
Akabuye. No, should I not say the truth because it's coming to
nah,
the
we're
podcast?
gonna talk to him, Bella.
Should I
Nice
not say, no,
there.
I'm saying should I not say
Ungakhulumi
the
ngaye
truth?
ngekho to defend
No.
himself. He's gonna come defend
He's gonna
himself.
come.
Hey.
You most
Also,
likely won't allow
avoid-
me to be there.
Avoid.
No.
You're
No,
most likely
no.
going
No,
to
there's
allow
only
me
two.
to be there.
Because you have a bone to pick with
What
him.
you are saying is ungasebenzisa sweeping statement ukuthi just because
Yeah,
this
but
ones
no,
are
but
white.
the
This
truth-
one,
the truth
maybe
of
he wasn't
matter is-
even in Bulawayo at that time since Alama fireworks.
Kolungciwa.
I'm saying maybe he
I saw
wasn't
him
around.
there.
No, but was he in those positions of
But
authority?
again,
He was a minister there. But
kule
anyway,
nto lena
anyway,
ngekhulunywa
but
nguCapris
the truth of the
futhi
matter is,
never credited malice to what. Because sometimes these people might just reduce ama shows. They think it's just a vuzu party. They think it's just sneakers with money to waste, want to make noise nge radio. But they don't know that's an ecosystem kule msebenzi kulana. So I dialogue in as much as libonana incedi. Iqakathekile. Let's enlighten. Hayi ma gents. Lina siyafanana labo mama bemsikena abasemakethi ngale. Lingaboni ngani just because ukhala radio, ukhala ubirima room.
Sizotshaya cocaine la.
let me say this. You're talking of a person. You cannot tell me ukuthi our mayor is not a well aware, and yet he was the minister of sports arts.
Uzabuya phela
He was the minister of
uzakhuluma
sports
la.
arts. No, and this thing was raised now. Sikhuluma ngakho now. You're talking
So
about
like
now.
three episodes in a row vele ukhuluma
No,
ngakho.
because he brought it up. I didn't bring it
No,
bring it up.
now I was saying,
No,
what do you think is the way forward? And I wanted to actually
What-
tell you
what we are
guys he
saying
agreed
now-
to come through. But then
what
when
I was saying-
you're now shitting on
The
him.
expo yesterday, what I said at the expo yesterday was people are saying we should open up to dialogue,
Mhm.
right? But you can only open up to dialogue to someone who even wants to understand you. If someone wants to shut
Do
down
you
something,
know
they
that-
need to come to you and say, check it. We are seeing the functioning Darwin energy. How can we best make use of our bylaws and you also making your man? Angola, they are shutting you down without talking to you. Harry Allen was marketed how many weeks ago? You get my point?
That's
Not
my
like they
other
didn't know.
thing.
It's not
That's
like
my
they
other
didn't
thing.
know.
Ukuthi even about shutdown la but push
Hey,
out
it's not like they didn't know, bro.
but they always make sure to
Yeah.
be last minute, which makes it feel a bit spiteful.
Exactly.
Yeah, that part
So,
ngiyayivuma.
so we are at the point where the people want to have dialogue with you. They actually want to have dialogue with us.
That's why he said he's coming.
No, he's not having
You
dialogue.
want.
Well, this I'm talking not the podcast in general, but there are people. But there are actual people.
I don't know. Do you feel like you are grieved more than the actual people whose events are getting shut
I'm
down?
an art promoter.
Anyali.
I'm an arts promoter.
Anyali.
Right? And I'm actually saying this because I'm
Yeah,
also
promoter.
affected. My innately affected on Ireland is not as prominent, but I'm also affected by these rules of theirs.
Anyali, but
on.
do you think you are more aggrieved than the people who are actually losing money and their shows are getting shut
I'm
down?
also losing
Do you
money.
think they're not in this kind of?
Because I go
Aye,
advertise. Do you think I'm not losing money?
aye. Anton down Lalele wena.
Yes.
Look, you just keep making it about you.
I'm
I'm
aggrieved.
saying.
As
Hey,
much
but
as them.
so don't make the assumption to bona laba aba aggrieved labo are not in some spaces trying to have dialogue with these people.
Talking about things that happened yesterday. These are people talking about it yesterday.
So
Talking
bona
about
bazihlalele
the
endlini
forum
bonke.
that happened yesterday.
Hey, but bona bazihlalele endlini bonke.
Hayi, abazihlalele endlini ngathi.
That's a bold thing to say, dog.
Because ZRTF, and the shutdown is at ZRTF on Saturday.
Mhm.
It's going to be a mess. Look at the whole mess is in Zakalamanje.
Yeah,
we are
because
having
there's
exhibitors coming out on Saturday. We have audiences, the public coming out of ZRTF on the same arena where shutdown is going to happen. What's the traffic going to be like?
That's gonna be crazy. Ngaba Clearfield liyana lokho zenini. Amasotsha lokho esenza ama.
Yeah, they're still doing that.
Is it gonna be
So I think that stage will have very limited time to set
Yeah.
up.
to set up?
Yeah, it's gonna be a mess.
Yes.
It's gonna be a mess.
It's a mess.
Of which the weekend there at Queens, eqinisweni guys could have been, but Queens sasake sayenza amanye amashow ukuthi bahle beyihafula even iQueens lene center kube le indawo lingayihambila yiyo
Ifake
vele.
i-barricade for
Eh.
increase leyana.
Ehe. But anyway, we're
Yeah,
not the guys.
But i-contract 1960 is one that is taking the law.
Yeah.
1960,
It's
contract
true.
1960, bro. Bylaws that were done during colonialism,
Yeah, it's true.
during Rhodesia, are governing Zimbabwe.
Yeah, that part I agree on. That part I want to.
Hopefully, when it comes, Well, actually, I think when it comes, if you're going to have the mayor, I think the best thing is to have, some issues to have the actual expert sit down in our, like, Olo Ralph Lapan, be the ones asking questions. Have the organizers or someone representing the promoters, having someone representing water and sanitation, someone representing residents. I'm probably going to be that side. I think maybe by the time it comes, who hosts to who's more male or never say pendukiri.
I
can. I've hosted forums. Before. So this won't be something.
But I is a tricky one. I feel like I'm both sides of this one because it really sucks. And being someone who's also in entertainment, I really hate seeing how they get. But right. Let me actually give you guys an example of the point maybe that I was trying to drive home. Kule ngoma liyaneka, tell you what city? Hello 2 Chainz, Sima. I just want to buy me a Beamer. Who am I? I'm that nigga.
Yeah,
so,
2 Chainz.
Hello 2 Chainz.
What mixing ngoma liana?
Yeah, well, it's been redone a bunch of times. So there's a part on the song where 2 Chainz says, ATLANTATA is where I stay. Yeah, bro. ATLANTATA is where. But he spelled it wrong. He spelled it like Atlantata. So Lalela. So that thing used to bother me. I used to listen to a song, and I've known the song for like maybe over 5 or 8 years. I was like, but how could 2 Chainz misspell Atlanta? But then I was like, but I know the kind of process a song goes through to get released. There is no way he misspelled this word and not a single person called it out before the release of the song. Yes, you figure him. There's definitely something I don't know.
Yep.
And that was my assumption.
Okay.
One day I'm sitting watching a reality show. And then I did a reality show I sick from place to place.
Yeah.
And you have location in Atlanta, Georgia. So Georgia, GA.
Yeah.
That's when it hit me. What he had actually said was ATLANTAGA is where I stay. He was saying Atlanta, Georgia, but I thought he had misspelled to Atlanta. And then I was like, this is why I actually never brought this story up or even, because I assumed there is no way these people are involved in this. I didn't hear something that I heard. So sometimes this is how I just walk around with all my understanding of certain topics. Do you think Tina Slezla are more aggrieved than these people? Because if one of my promoters are not somewhere out there in arms over this, it makes me wonder, okay, maybe there's some kind of application they knew they had to do that they were just trying to circumvent, and then said it last minute. I don't know, Doc. But
Okay.
I feel like there's so much money on the line here, and these people whose events are getting shut down are losing a lot of money when their events get shut down. There should be the people that should be aggrieved. Maybe I'm not in their platforms, I'm not in their groups. In terms of band, same day. Martin Khambe, Vivo, all the band members are talking about it. And I knew, of course, these are the guys who are affected. Really, they were up in arms. There was a WhatsApp group I was in that I got added into, and I think they had people from Izimura who were being asked hard questions. They say, explain. So maybe, these promoters and the people who are supposed to are in those kinds of scenarios. Because they have to be aggrieved, Doc. There is no way they're not aggrieved. You hear my point?
I'm saying there was a forum yesterday. I'm not talking about fiction, bro. This is the person is coming out inventing was shut down. Ukuruma as if it's okay. We'll talk, we'll sit down, you came up with I'm like, no, this is you see the problem with the problem is when people are aggrieved about what Ian Smith was doing, what did people do?
But I don't know when I also see the Ian Smith here.
Yeah,
that's a racial divide.
Exactly. My fault, your approach here is a bit distractive, bro.
Yeah, I approach here tricky.
What I'm saying is, but when GOH was shut down, is the red table Lapana.
No, GOH was never shut down.
No, when I started complaining about using.
Yeah, they complained, but they never shut it
when
down.
When he started complaining, right? Shouldn't have, as a mayor, said, okay, this is happening in the city. Why can't I call these stakeholders and say, guys, as a city,
Lungisi Mike, pause.
As a city,
Mike is
Cinema Palos, Angie, guys, how do we work around? You get my point?
Yeah.
And another thing that actually pissing me off, I think, is one of the councillors
Don't be
is an
pissed off,
artist.
you.
One of the councillors is an artist.
Mhm.
So, Utini Parat. And one of the guys, the chairperson of the finance committee, was involved in the arts sector. why are they not hinging to their colleague, bro? But this is how it works. So somewhere, kule breakdown of community within the council before it comes out. Yeah.
That's exactly my point. I'm saying from the outside, something doesn't add up. You're also saying, I don't understand how this is going on because some of these people are invested in art. The mayor should know this. Also, why are the promoters not making are not up in arms about it? Because there's things that don't add up.
Do you know Bula is only city council with a cultural heritage office,
Okay,
right?
I didn't
It's
know
only
that.
see that as it. And do Lady Chawe is the office our corner.
Okay,
Shout out
So,
to you.
if I'm not mistaken, that office also is the one that looks into the hiring of stadiums and stuff, right? If I'm not mistaken, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So, I'm saying, if we are going to do things, City, no, Queens is a sporting facility. You cannot do this. Why can you not do the same thing with White City? With BF? Why are we having people march on ETF for White City for independence? Why would I just as much as it's a football pitch, it's a track? Why are we selecting places to do that?
My other problem is how I really don't. But anyway, I'm so outspoken, Lami, about some of these things and how they're happening online, and then I always get backlash, especially from my fellow brothers and sisters who want to always reduce us. Uthi, hayi problem ngabantu abamnyama ndifuna ukubulala izinto. Kulo muntu nje problem ngabantu abamnyama. I'm like and umuntu wakho wathi hamba ne-BF nafuna ukubulala izinto zamakhiwa like
amakhiwa zinto la.
that kind of thinking as well is not right. So njalo kuhleka abantu ababesithi ndifuna ukubulala ama-facility hamba ne-BF i-wicket kwathini ithini nxa ngigoogle la eMelbourne Australia blind cricket, I'm sure i-team yabo ihlali ku-top 5 emhlabeni kuyasetshenziswa kuthiwa kulo Lady Gaga kumbe nini senze ishow yakhe ngayo.
You know FNB eduze what did Chris
Because
do in
at some
FNB?
point I was thinking bona bathi vele lingakhombe i-wicket le football pitch ekuphangisa ukulungiseka yikuyini. Then in my mind ngase ngigoogle e-England even abo-YouTube bathi uhamba bese-China denze cricket, bro. Like, come on, guys. Come on. Anyway, it's just a long rabbit hole into yakhona.
How was Man City when you? How was it? Other than the shutting down, how was it?
It was okay. I feel like as a brand, they are somewhat reaching their falling limb.
The ceiling.
Yeah, they actually reached the ceiling. Is what you do now after reaching the ceiling. That's where they end now. I don't want to sound like I'm saying, this is no. If you can plot a graph,
Straight.
isikalo kukhangela
From the
beach
ceiling.
pants. Yeah, sirisita mbija. But yeah, there's still room for improvement. There's room to reimagine. There's like, I hate being a prophet of doom or those people who celebrate with, downfall. No. Yeah,
But
nah.
but
Not that
indicating
kind
a
of
downfall doesn't necessarily mean you are rooting for a downfall.
The way you indicated,
Yeah.
man.
So the other thing is, I as a creative, we all hit a ceiling, and any other creative in the world hits a ceiling, right?
Yeah.
What's important is, do you have a team that is able to say, please, I think maybe don't release it.
Yeah,
If you surround yourself- if you
there's
surround yourself
actually
with-
something. Sorry, kule member le NGK really has a strong team. Remember, if you keep up on November, he had to cancel all that shit.
Is it?
Yeah, even change the title, the
Okay,
theme,
Because
Yes,
his
another album.
team
His
reviewed.
people told him, this is not the one.
So as a creative, if you don't have people who say, okay, not, we understand where we're going, but I think we're losing. How can we engage different minds? A think tank of some sort to come and review. Because Mina, bro, when Manchester started, this as a think up, right? I loved Manchester very much. Do you know why? Because that was the only time I could go around choosing as much delicacies
As you
as I
could.
can and chill with friends. It was okay. Not too loud, not too what up. It was a lifestyle. But when you then start, for me, it was when you start making it a groove thing now. So go groove, so go jive. For me, it's like, I'm not, I want to go and munch, sip, sit with my friends and talk. But now, so many gateway. You know, not for me. But it was working. It worked for a certain time because probably that's the time you want to gain as much traction as gather as many people. But then usuchaza want to be groove. You can't bring them back down to sit and say, now munch, now sip. So I don't know, maybe they'll have to find a balance somewhere.
Mansion sexy.
They have to munch,
Yeah,
they have to,
I
they
mean,
have to, they have
munch
to
and
find a way to balance.
So we don't go manage and sex.
Yeah,
Anyway, that aside, yeah, I feel like they probably need this time to figure out how to maybe approach
the next
things.
move?
Yeah, what's the next move?
Because
There's a time when we achieve everything, guys. Those guys we can't really like take away their props.
they did
Those
am-
guys, I'm a
amazing.
top of a traffic a stretch out like 5 kilometers on some accessive venue. Like that was some astronomical shit. Go a lot of headlining artists they man. Like yeah, those
that
guys
shit
have
was
really
dope.
done the shit, bro.
That
Yeah,
should have been
a
eye-opening.
criterion le. But we shape inside. I'm curious. Like,
Ah,
I'm curious.
That's
Complaining.
another
dude.
thing now. That was another thing.
No. Let's get
No,
into
I'm
details.
saying- I'm saying,
of
Guti.
my fault when I asked you,
No,
you
you don't
realize
remember-
Guti, we are industry people, bro. There are things that we know that fans or people that are talking to right now don't know.
don't
So if
know.
we come here and
No,
start
in my
speaking
mind,
too
I'm
much
No,
about things, it becomes
I'm
off.
saying, when I look at Criterion, right?
Especially in
When they were
public
doing it,
domain,
you know,
yeah.
when they're doing it at Criterion, and that should have been a moment. That should have been a moment for them to say, okay, guys, we need to realign this shit.
Mm-hmm.
Because complaints were coming. When you start having some people
But the problem is
complain,
complaints are always gonna come. You cannot be in any field and listen
Even
to
Latin
complaints.
bars complaining.
So that
about
was
it.
complaining.
when certain people start complaining, it's unfortunate. That's how it is. There are sometimes when certain people start complaining that you need to realign your shit. That's how Bulawayo is.
I hear you, but sometimes now I'm not gonna assume Guti, those people don't think about this more than we do. So I'm not gonna sit here and sound like I have an opinion. Oh, they should have done this or that. Sometimes it doesn't matter how good a product is. Every product has a shelf life, and maybe you have to just live out the shelf life. And then once you get to a point where then you just have to revamp it. Why when you documentary WWE when they talk about Hulk Hogan had a solid shelf life, but it got to a point where audiences just needed something new.
Something new, yeah.
And they just had to switch it up.
Yeah.
So I think, okay, now you are in that part of your journey where you have indicators that a switch up is needed. If you are still cruising and a switch up isn't needed, it's fine. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Once it starts looking a little shaky, then you start thinking about.
How to
So
fix it.
I don't know. There's nothing wrong with waiting for an indicator first before you start switching shit up. Because usungaba umuntu belamawala switch up izinto futhi
Ubone
abantu
into esebenza,
vele watshintshelani vele sasi. So this is just the murky waters, and that's part of just having a
That's our
product.
city.
That's utheni?
Make your orders, that's our city.
Vele
If you
sise
things
murky.
in Bulawayo, again, Bulawayo itself, how it operates in this industry, and most of things don't have a long.
Shelf
Shelf
life
life.
is true.
Yeah, that's true.
Because Intwaza was a big thing.
Yeah, it used to be a thing.
Like Intwaza was, when Intwaza was happening in Bulawayo, everyone knew there's Intwaza. Right now it's happening, but you know,
Tina lati
That's
mina
how
lawe
I see it.
sinje
Yeah.
with other careers before this.
Yeah.
We have this podcast era is a new era where we revamp something to extend the shelf life. Kuzasuka lapho sabona sesenza okunye. So
when you're already in farming,
yeah,
Like
of
junior.
course.
but now
Ah,
you're
yeah,
over 40
yeah. Ngale uma 40 uri make a good farmer. Yazi nxa umuntu olima kumele ukhulume njani? Kumele ukhulume slowly.
Mm-hmm.
How we
Ngale
employ people.
hayi vele uzakhuluma labantu. Uzamela uthi hayi sivukile.
Yeah, hayi kanti kutsho ukuthi yeah, hayi.
Namhlanje
Oh,
lithwele,
yeah, I
alithwele. Yeah, alithwele.
Cyanide. Guys, when did you start saying cyanide?
Anyway,
When did you
guys,
start or stop?
what else has been happening? Did we?
Kana bemfu ukukhuluma ngani?
We didn't talk
Something.
about the ATF. How was it?
Oh, we did.
How
We
was it
did
going?
actually.
We did.
It's been
Just
good,
spoke,
yeah.
brushed.
Mhm.
How is it going?
For me, it's been going well. It's going fine. The
Ngezinara mina.
sikhulumile ngayo, yeah, sikhulumile ngayo izinto.
Ngezinara mina.
It's still happening. Things are still happening. Businesses are there. People still online when people try to make something sound like it's played out, but in real life it's still that
That's no
thing,
problem.
bro.
I want to just outgrew it.
Yeah.
Oh, you just.
But it's I was
You know
even
this
telling
guy.
someone ukuthi right now they're actually doing their core business. Utama business and network.
Yeah.
It wasn't about you going there, say and candy
in.
flows.
Yeah,
It was never
Yeah.
about
It
individual.
was never about that.
I trade fair. I say trade fair kudala. What?
Ndota. I trade fair. Anya kutshela ukuthi mina
It's about business.
I attended a cocktail on Tuesday. Go full house, bro. A lot of big
How's
shots.
the ATF is doing?
Lot-
well, though?
like-
Did they
it
do a
was
golf
fine.
there? Did they do a golf there? They say?
Ngingazi. Dog ngangilabana like I was like rubbing shoulders with everyone who's running this country. And I was like, what? If you trade fair, those people are not going to be there. So it's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing now.
Vivo ubona ukuthi trade fair
Yeah, it's popping.
business is a booming.
But yeah, a lot of businesses made money, especially for lunch. Yeah.
Kanti menu sakhuluma ngayo le bonto yenzani iremontada
I mean, you like, go feel
Then
it.
it's in Zane a few days later.
obvious phela kunamuntu ohlala i5 rounds ayichayi every night
Manchester kind of
unless ngasejele
Manchester.
I mean, you man, you need a erectile dysfunction. Then that day, pompukuma kuphela.
ikobe so just be happy you got what you got other different ngazaga kuhlola labo Harry Maguire there was a kid that was even trending.
But what are we doing? But here's another thing. Okuthi, we can't be leading all the time.
Conduce mic.
We can't be leading all the time and losing our lead just like that.
I
need a defense,
I will Manchester again. I don't watch the league matches anymore. I've decided, you know what?
yeah I'm not gonna
I've
lie
decided the league matches are not for me anymore.
I'm not gonna lie
I'll
I'm
try and
waiting
watch
for next
Europa.
season
I'll
I'm
try
not
and
waiting
watch
for next
Europa.
season
And I'm hoping I'm not hoping, like I'm hoping they really release players the actual players we don't need.
Mm-hmm.
And then get in, especially they need to beef up our left side. They need to beef up our defense. Lindelof, is not doing what Lindelof is supposed to be doing. Our mid, number 9, we need a number 9 who's actually is experienced. Especially Lewandowski.
and where UK why bengahambi manje bahambe emagamini lawa
I don't even know.
Happy.
like not abantu like intanga zethu lezi say UK these days do they go to these games
Manchester bahamba. Jawabona mna lama
Wona amajina ahamba
As poster.
Our friends who go. Mostly of Man City no Manchester, that's why those I've seen.
Abanye anisuke mbona imembe isithi SA-UK
Liverpool.
isiya kuchele mabili.
Liverpool, Chelsea,
chele
Spurs. No,
Chile
I've only
Mabinya.
seen Manchester United and Man City.
na kube nje stadium mina
Udliwa so
But
video.
amatikiti angona adura sekweli lapho.
vele yonke into iyadura kanti yazi akula abantu abakhala nje abantu be-UK mina ngizwisisi angazi ungazibona usukhala use-UK usufuna ukuya ngawo
No, but here's the thing.
Yazi yakhala
Bakhala-
lezi
ziyakhala
Bakhala ngokuthi bona banama problems angawabo ngendlela yabo in their life. Thina nama problems. Kunezinye izinto ezingama problems lapha. Ukharezayo lokho. You get the thing.
nyali but asithini madoda nxa usowawukhala ulapha ususukile ususe-UK usulokhu ukhala ungale usufuna ukuya ngapho
kunye membili bacela kakhulu imali lana madoda.
sofuke ebujumbura
Ngoba bengafuni.
kanti wasuka lapho ula definition of freedom
Yeah, but freedom, man, not for you.
kanti wena ubonani abalwela ilizwe leli babelwela ifreedom yabo bodwa babelwela yomuntu wonke
Abantu abalala yabo yodwa.
hayi ifreedom ayibe ngeyomuntu wonke
Yeah, and ifloppy stairway.
kanti leli bilijithini
Dog. Ungayenza stairway ngezethu ITF kodwa.
Thina nje into esiyaziyo bla ungathi geza
Also-
siyageza bra. Bangeni.
Also mina umbuzo wami ukuthi it's really starting to seem like bro is not walking the talk.
He's never walking.
he's not talking or walking either no but there was a window period where coulda shoulda
Yeah.
His agenda, I think when I analyze his thing, one thing that I can actually say he managed to really get things going in the direction. No one is talking about 2030 anymore.
But they're still cooking it.
No, I'm saying
There's
they
a
might be
memo that
cooking it.
leaked.
They might be cooking it, but it's no longer that public. Like it was always. Like,
maybe it's now cooking in silence
yeah, I think that's what they're doing now. But publicly, it's no longer there.
Yeah.
hayi
So,
umuntu echiyela be-UK complain ekhonale futhi
my Jimbos.
What are you guys, guys?
Guys, if you're still watching here, shout out
thank you
to
very
you.
much it's been
Yeah,
another
boy.
episode
Thank you
171
for the comments.
Mm.
The guy out of Banning.
Oh, I was meeting people at ZITF who
Clyde, yeah,
watched the
yeah.
podcast. Shout out to you guys. As
izolo
well.
we bumped into uthengu lihle
Yes,
that guy I think that he said his
yeah.
name is lihle
Mhm. As well.
I got Clyde, no time. No price, wealth. Regular, like they are regular comments.
Yeah, engu-price
Futhi
ithanda
comment
uprice
us.
uyakufonela lixoxe nge-podcast 1 hour like lenzi review. I should record that guy and then we have another segment after the podcast.
Yeah.
Siyathi after the podcast ngoba uprice like uyaxoxa ama-topic wonke esikhulunywe ngawo la
esikhulunywe ngawo.
over the phone and that guy has airtime ke bangasola WhatsApp call. That bro loves calls.
lenzi framachina
Price.
price
Pricing is a fraud.
But
Yeah.
yeah, it's been amazing pumping you guys the ITF. Thank you guys for watching. I'm a 4040. The name so nice. Gotta say it twice. No relation to G40 with my co-host UK Breezy.
aka khuluma ama aka apha
Yenza ama-slogan.
What kanje? Okay, what?
Aqala ngo-Big konke.
Big what?
Man, this nigga's not a fan.
Yeah, it's not a fan.
I don't do hip hop.
AKA
Juicy.
Big Juicy,
Oh,
you know what
Big
it is.
Juicy.
Big mozzarella.
Big
Big
mozzarella.
slippery. Ngeleqiniso somanga.
Oh, man.
Kera magagi.
Maningi, I'm a man of many vocations.
Also, ungabe endaweni ungu Big
Kuya ukuthi
Juicy.
ngithole ngobani. Ngadezi ngithole ngingu-slipper, ngithole ngingumotsa.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
Shout out.
One time.